Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to make a notepad all by yourself, and from designing to printing to cutting, binding, everything. So this is the notepad. Yeah, I made this all by myself and have designed this on Canva. So I can assume that you all know what Canva is. So can those who don't know, Canva is an app where you can design a lot of stuffs, and you can be creative beyond your imagination through that, and it's an easiest way of designing such cool stuffs. Take to this video till the end because I am going to share everything about it. Also guys, if you are watching me and you're watching my channel, if you are interested in the videos, please subscribe. So let's get started with the video. Let's get started, and the number one thing is that you're gonna do is choose here with icon, and you'll find this three open menu. Just put choose the icon, create a design, and you will have to customize the size. So I'm going to customize my size as A4, so I'll use horizontal of A4. So that is going to be in width 11.5. So it's 11.5, and sorry, I'm going to take the inches. So I'll just first of all put it here, and then again 11.5 and 8 is going to be the height. So it's already, I have already made one, so this is here. So you can see this whole page appear on the screen. So the next is I'm going to choose the rectangle of the size of the notepad that you want to make. So my notepad is going to be in the size. So what you have to do is just click R on your tab on your keyboard, and here you go. So you have a rectangle, and just drag it downward for the height you want. So am choosing 7.8 to be the height of the notepad, and the width is going to be 3.7, and I'll just make a copy of this. So how to make a copy is it you have to just duplicate. Now see if all the three are being adjusted properly inside this. Again duplicate, and see these all three are going to get adjusted on this paper. Yes, perfect. So the size is 3.7 is the width, and height is 7.8. Now I'm just going to delete the rest of these two rectangles. You can choose your own size, like whatever size you like, you can choose that. Now I'll just put it inside here, and let's change the color. I'm gonna go in some yellow, like this orange kind of a shade. So I don't like this much bright, I just want to little muted orange. So I'll go here, add a new color, click on this, and like you can move this dropper here and there to choose the color. So I'm going to choose a little lighter shade. Yeah, that's okay. Now let's choose an element, and I'll just put groceries. So I'm going to make this my grocery list. So for that I will like to just, yeah, there are graphics, a lot of graphics over here and there. Some of them you can see that there is a crown sign that is for Canva Pro. So if you want to go with the free version, try to choose the one which does not have a the crown. So I like this graphic. Yeah, so this completely shows all the grocery, you know, the fruits, vegetables, breads, tea, milk, water, anything like that. So everything is here, and just try to resize this, and whatever size you want, I'm just going to go with this size. Put it here. Now choose, again press R and choose the color. So I'm going to choose white inside and resize this again. Now don't just like that. I'm going to put this on the top, so don't worry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just corner rounding and do corner rounding, that will look nicer. And yeah, so that's, let me see, yeah, that's enough, that's enough, yeah. Now the next is I'll just put this this image on the top. So here you go to the layers and bring forward. Now it's on the top. I'm just going to little minimize this picture and put it aside. Yeah, that's okay, that's cool. Yeah, that's nice. Now let's add some of the lines over here to write your list. Next is a line. You can see frame, line, all of these things are over here. So just choose line, and I'm going to choose the free version of the line. So this is the line that I'll go for, but I don't like the width. It's too like too dark and too thick. So I'll just what will I do? Yeah, change the lines. I mean lightweight. So go with one. So I'll just put one, and let me change the color as well. I don't want this. I want this little gray. Yep. So gray is what I have chosen, and I like to just move it upwards, like here, and duplicate. So this much of distance I want to be this again, duplicate, so you'll find the lines aligned parallel to each other, one after the other. But yeah, try to put all the lines aligned parallel to each other and at the same distance. Yes, so I'm just duplicating all the lines. That's it. I'm leaving the space in here to put my brand name, or you can also like write your own brand name here. So I'll do that. Now the next, I think I have to just resize this as well because it's too big for this. Yeah, so I think we are, there's a little like the gaps are not just shift, press one line, I mean select one line and put shift, select all the lines, like all of them. Yes, and then you have selected. Now space evenly. Yeah, now you see all of them are spaced evenly. Yeah, I don't know. Yes. that's that's cool. Next is I'm going to add the you know uh, text here. So I'll write groceries. Okay, so let's just choose text and add a text box. Now write groceries and bring that here forward and choose the design you want. So I'm just going to be, first of all, I just increase the size of this particular text. This is small. Now simple, sober and cool, but I don't like the color much, so I'm going to just grab a different color. Let's just see if I can change the text as well. uh, let's choose another text. uh, no, 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 that's also nice. No, too simple, but I'll go with this. I'll just change the color of the text and again add color. Take this red, but just let's just change the color. Groceries. Now this is really nice. I'm just going to resize this a little bigger and just put it here. So I like the overall look of this notepad, and then I guess I'll have to just uh, go with that. This is the final one. So I just want to add my brand name to this. uh, so I'll do that. So I'm going to write Iram letters to my design. So again, adding a subheading, I'll write Iram letters. So I choose the color. I don't like this color. I'll go with gray, and I'll go with gray. Yeah. Now one more thing, I'll just go with the transparency. I'll just make it really really light, and also I'll change the text to fonts. I mean, the fonts I'll change, and let it be very simple and sober. So I think this one, I know you are not able to look at this. I'm just going to darker, like little dark, and size are really small, and let me just put it here in the middle. That's good. This is the final one, and I'm going to print this. So I will choose all of this, like choose everything all over again, and here you'll group. When you will group everything, you'll see that all of them are being shifted all together. Sorry, so again, just group, bring it here. Sorry, so let's just group these, all of these, group. Now you can move everything here. So I'll put it, leaving a little space so that to just kind of cut it. Now I'll, sorry, Control Z. I just wanted to copy this, and I'll copy this. Do not ungroup. So again, I just want a copy of this. So I'll choose all of it again, like that. So again, choosing everything and duplicate and go here, try to adjust everything on the paper. Yes, these are the three pages that I will get, and I will now, this is the final thing, and I'm gonna print this on my printer. So let me just check everything is properly, aligned, and nothing is, I just want to ungroup everything here, because I see that this image ungroup, and then you can move single elements here and there. Again, I'll just ungroup and move this picture, this image right here. Now all of them are aligned properly, everything is just done, and I am very very satisfied with this design. But let's just shift a little here. Now I'm going to print this. The final print is going to come, and I'm very excited. So what I'm going to do, I'll just share and download this. I want to download, what do you think, transparent background. I'm going to just take a PDF print and download. Nothing, don't choose anything, just go with download. So the PDF is getting downloaded. Now I'll change grocery list, save, and so here is the grocery list here. I'm going to print this. This is the print option. Okay, so you can see this, the color has not been selected. I'll choose landscape, yeah, landscape, and the printer is HP Smart Tank 580 590 series. Number of copies I'll select is 10. I'll choose 10 copies. Okay, and then going with this black and white, no color, I want color. Print on the both side, print on, flip on the edge, print on one side, then go to more settings, and I'll see that the DPI is 300, page per sheet 1, size of the paper is A4, and what else I can choose. Okay, now that's all that I'm going to choose, and I have set everything. Now it's the final part, which is printing. So just
So
print,
I am excited. So
and let's
just look at
see what
here.
is
The
going.
prints are coming out of my printer, and as I expected, they are like quite yeah, they look so beautiful. So I'll do the rest of the prints as well. So I have here like my other prints. Now you can see all the like prints are here, and I'm gonna cut them well. So I'm using my paper cutter here, and I'm taking few sheets at a time, 5 sheets at a time. So this is how you have to just cut, and it should be a very sharp and proper. I'll also trim the other, like from the bottom and the top as well. And I have a chipboard that I have cut in that size, and I'm going to do the binding. That is the last part of it. So you just have to do, if you have a Mod Podge, well and good. If you don't have a Mod Podge, you can just have some Favicol and add little water to that. Make it not very thin consistency, but a thicker one, but not very thick. Now I am just putting everything aligned, and I'll put those Mod Podge in between, I mean on the edges, but very properly, and make sure that all of them are stuck properly together. So for that I have used some pens. If you can also use the paper like pens that are particularly for the paper, so that is how you are going to do this. So I'm removing everything, the pins, after like leaving it for an hour uh, or two. I think for 2 to 3 hours I left it, and now it's ready. You can write your grocery and stuffs on that, and it's all good to go. So this is the final thing, final part, and yes, enjoy your own handmade or your own made product, and that's all.
So that was all about the video, and you can also make something like that. If you don't have a printer, you can get that printed, get those copies, cut it by yourself and bind it like this, just like me, and use this for yourself. If you don't want to make it for grocery, you can make it for your to-do list, or your top goals of the year, or top goals of the week, top goals of the month, whatever. So have this all by yourself. I'm going to post a lot of videos on Canva, because I'm also learning Canva, and whatever I'm going to learn, I will share it with you guys. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm sure I'm making the next video very, very soon. So thank you for watching, guys. If you are still here with me, just put a heart for me so that I know you people are watching the whole video. Thank you. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.